and southern Blount County, where between 5 and 6+ inches of rain being estimated there from Madisonville all the way over to western North Carolina near Robbinsville. As of right now, things are much quieter, dry conditions in the Sevier County area as well. This is atop Ripley's Aquarium of the Smoky, so quiet now. Showers have diminished as expected once the sun has set, but our boundary is still somewhere right along the Georgia-Tennessee border. So relatively quiet as we go through the overnight hours. Let's take a look on 6 Predictor from where we are right now. But the closer we get to daybreak, I think showers could start to redevelop, especially again south of Knoxville, close to where the boundary is located. And this could be problematic a bit as we go through the day tomorrow. Still a low-end threat of seeing some isolated flooding. I mean, any more rain in some of these same areas that saw the heavy rain today could certainly be problematic, but areas to the north along the Tennessee-Kentucky border are mainly going to stay dry. So what I've done is I've kind of highlighted the area of concern that we'll be watching on 6 Predictor. So let's go through the day. This is tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. and already, as I showed you, a few showers developing. That's one wave moving through before midday over some of those same problem areas from today. Same into early afternoon. This is 3 o'clock. And then things slowly start to quiet down once we get past the evening hours and especially after sunset about this time tomorrow night. So I don't think it's going to be widespread heavy rain, but all it takes is a couple of those showers with a few downpours to move over the same concern areas tomorrow to cause some additional concern. So we will keep a close eye on that. Again, what it is a lot of moisture across the area with a stalled boundary, right? It looked like as we head into the weekend, this boundary would continue to lift northward right over our area. But the way it looks right now, it's probably going to get stuck just to our southwest. So even though deeper moisture is pooling back into the southeastern U.S., if the boundary stays here, then the heavier rain risk will stay to our south and to our east and back to our west. So not going to be weather aware at this point. I still think we'll see a few showers on Saturday, but not to the extent way it looked yesterday, where we could see repeated rounds of potentially heavy rainfall. As of now, looks like it'll stay to our south and west. And then this boundary late Saturday into Sunday will work its way a little bit further south, and some areas, especially along southeast Kentucky border, could tap into some drier conditions, less humid air as we go through the day Sunday. Regardless, it's not looking like a total weekend washout, but I do expect some showers, especially early in the day and south on Saturday. Still mainly cloudy with mid-80s in the afternoon, and we'll keep the majority of the area staying dry the way it looks right now on Sunday. If we had any showers, I think further south may be a little more likely to see those. Otherwise, as we head into early next week, a dry start Monday into early Tuesday, but then we'll keep an eye on another potential front that will try to drop down across the area as we go later Tuesday into Tuesday afternoon. Regardless, it looks like heating up next week, especially early on. Upper 90s to near 100s for heat index values for Monday and Tuesday. So even though actual highs will be in the low 90s, it's going to feel much warmer than that by the time we get there. So let's look at the 7-day forecast. For tomorrow, a few spotty showers or storms. Again, especially south of the Knoxville area. We'll have to watch that carefully and make sure some of those same areas that saw the heavy rain today don't see that tomorrow. Saturday's rain chances look lighter, mainly early, and especially the southern half of our viewing area. Most will end up staying dry on Sunday. Then we start to heat back up early next week, Monday and Tuesday. Highs will be close to 90 degrees, but as I mentioned, Elena, we're talking near triple-digit heat index values to start the work week.
Going right back up. All right, thank you, Ken.